guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I finally did the reformat on the kits, so I'm super excited to show you guys. Also, starting Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is the Ultimate Planner sale. So I wanted to go ahead and say the first 20 orders, I do have samplers from I believe 8 or 9 different shops. The first 20 orders will be getting bags with those samplers in them, and then all orders all weekend over $50 before shipping, but after coupons will be receiving this exclusive sampler, and these just have a bunch of different colors. So on to the kits, or the new collection, I should say. So this week's new collection is called Mermaid. The first thing that I have here are the glitter headers, also the date cover add-on, and then I'm so excited to show you guys the reformat. So the full box sheet did not change. So these are your full boxes. They have rose gold foil. Your quote box says, "Be a mermaid and make waves." And then there's just a ton of super pretty rose gold foil in here. You do have 2 different mermaids in 2 different skin tones. And I love these colors. I think this is just so, so pretty and so summery. So there are your full boxes. Onto the reformat. So the first page of the kit, all of the script icons did get reformatted, as well as these icons did get switched over to the no background. I did a poll on Facebook and Instagram a while ago asking if you guys would prefer the icons to have no background, and the majority said yes. So we have weekend banner up top, 2 flags here, date covers, 2 weekly trackers, a bill due, your no background icons right here. I love how these look. These are in the B6 kits. I think they look so cute in spreads. And then your script icons did get reformatted. So we've got date night, happy mail, order stickers, girls night, payday, workout, and Friday, and then just a couple of little things in between, the lipstick, the laptop, the coffee cup, and then your movie marquee down at the bottom. The third sheet, there was just a couple, or one thing actually, that ended up being reformatted, and that is I added in the quarter boxes that are the glitter. These will be glitter every single week. These are like the ones in the B6 kit, and I loved how those turned out, so I decided to go ahead and add those into the deluxe kits as well. Your next sheet has a bit of a reformat. So up top here are these new, let me lift one up for you, these new kind of squared off quarter boxes that have the patterned background. Also some of the little things, I believe, actually no, I don't think anything in this one changed. I did change the way that I am cutting these. So now these cut like stacked. It's really hard to do this and hold a sheet of stickers. So you guys can see, instead of having the space in between, they do all just stack all the way up. That makes it a little bit easier for me when I'm going in to cut them. They cut a bit quicker. So that has been changed. Your ombre heart checklist sheet has not changed. Oh, that's not true actually. These I did make a bit bigger, these top flags up here. Then you've got your ombre heart checklist and your 2 daily trackers. And then finally, I did change this last sheet. So let me see if I can show you guys the foiling a little bit. I love this foiling. So I did change the date covers. They are no longer strips. These now are just the individuals. And I did a poll again, and everybody said that they would prefer that. I also did change the script, and they are also now just a solid foil instead of just having the outline. I did have 1 extra space, so I went ahead and put in a this week, which I thought could look cute over in the sidebar. Also, the way the washi has been cut has been changed. All of these are now header size, and they are still stackable, you guys can see. So you will still be able to stack them up if you want to, but they are all now sized the same as a header. So that is the last sheet of the deluxe kit. So on to the mini kit. The same thing with the full boxes. You get this same sheet right here. Then your second sheet is this, and it's kind of the same thing that happened on the deluxe kit. I replaced these icons and then switched out the scripts. Not all of those fit into the mini kit. So in the mini kit, you have date night, happy mail, girls night, workout, payday, and then your laptop, your coffee cup, and your marquee. 2 daily trackers, 2 weekly trackers, bill due, your heart checklist at the bottom, weekend banner, and then your 2 little flags up at the top. Your second sheet, everything else I believe has, well, this sheet has changed a lot. So I removed some of the little things because it is a mini kit, and I feel like for it to have as many little things as it did was a lot. The other option was to remove the headers, but I've mentioned that before, and like most people did not want that to happen. So instead we did change around the little things. There are no longer the dinner little things, and you guys let me know in the comments down below how you feel, because if a bunch of people do not like how this ended up, I will go back in and mess with it again. Up top, you do have these really cute little blanked out quarter boxes. I also added in the glitter boxes down here. Then you've got your little things, and then you have your headers. Again, these are cut in that stackable way so that they cut a bit faster when I'm working through stocking. So that is the third sheet of the mini kit. And then the fourth sheet changed a little bit, nothing too crazy. So you still have your foiled bottom washi down here. And then you've got these 3 boxes, which are kind of in between a half box and a quarter box. They're kind of a strange size, but that's what I can fit in here. And then you do still have your 2 marquees over at the side. And then again, all of your washi is cut to be the size of a header. So yeah. So that is this week's new collection, as well as the reformat. I hope you guys love it. Let me know in the comments down below if you like the reformat, if you don't, what you don't like or what you do like about it. And make sure you check out the Ultimate Planner sale this morning and all weekend, and make sure to check out all of the other awesome shops that are participating as well. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.